Hi everybody. When it comes to game day, I'm always looking for new and exciting recipes. Well, I have come up with 3 game day recipes that will make you the hit of your party.
I've got these adorable Nutter Butter referee cookies, a cheese and cracker football platter, and a stadium cake. Let's start with the Nutter Butter referee cookies. Dip the lower part of the Nutter Butter cookie in white candy melts. Let dry on parchment paper. While the candy melts harden, add black food coloring to chocolate frosting. Put in a frosting bag with a thin round tip and create lines for the referee outfit. Now use a little frosting on the back of the candy eyes to attach it to the cookie. Once the eyeballs are on, make a smiley face. Then add hair. Now you have your Nutter Butter referee cookies. Next, we have a pepperoni football cheese and cracker platter. This is really easy to make and you can get it done in no time at all. Start with making pepperoni in the shape of a football. Add cheese in the shape of the laces. Now add cheese and crackers around the entire platter. And you have your pepperoni football cheese and cracker platter. And finally, our football stadium cake. Take a sheet cake of any kind. Add a buttercream frosting crumb coat with a frosting bag and a crumb coat tip. Smooth it out with a spatula. Roll out green fondant. You can use powdered sugar so it doesn't stick. Now place the fondant over the cake. Cut off the excess fondant all the way around. Now for the yard lines. Roll out and cut out lines in white fondant. Lay the lines out over the cake and clean up the excess fondant. Now for the stadium seating, cut out another layer sheet to fit on the side of the cake. Make it 2 layers and shave off the top layer so it's sloped like stadium seats. Add frosting on the top and add sprinkles. Attach to the sides of the cake. Once done, add frosting around the entire stadium. Use parchment paper to smooth out the frosting. Now use frosting lines around the field and the stadium seating. And you can create some decorations around the rest. I made field goals out of straw, and there you have your stadium cake.
Thank you so much for watching. Of course, I'd love you to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share this with your friends, and turn on those post notifications so you know next time I post a video. Have a great day. Talk to you soon.